What's up, guys? So today I was gonna make meatballs and cook them in the air fryer, but once I got them on this plate, I said, you know what? I'm gonna cook these bad boys in the microwave. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook them in the microwave, cooking meatballs in the microwave, and then so I can make my spaghetti. All right. Okay, guys, so let's see how this is going to work out. Another experimental cooking dish I'm doing. I want to have spaghetti and meatballs today, so don't know how this is going to work out, but we're going to try it. Let's try 12 minutes. On high. Here we go. Okay, guys, let's check on the meatballs. It's down to 5 minutes now. Yeah, they're cooking. I'm finished. Okay, guys, so 10 minutes and the meatballs are done. Your microwave might cook faster, so check it. Could be 7 to 10 minutes. And the neat thing about this microwave is I can pull this whole tray out, so I don't have to worry about the juice spilling on the floor. Okay, and there are the meatballs. Now I can make my spaghetti. I'm gonna let my water start boiling. Okay, guys, so I got some ragu here, and I'm gonna pour that in. And now I'm gonna put meatballs and the spaghetti sauce. There we go, guys, and I'm gonna let this let it all simmer so the meatballs can soak up this flavor. By the way, guys, the meatballs would have probably been done in 9 minutes on high. I cooked them at 10. And it's almost time to put the spaghetti in. Let's put a lid on it and let it cook. Let the spaghetti, the sauce heat up. That's my dog going off. She's way down there in the family room. Zoe! Sammy! Anyway. Okay guys, water's boiling rapidly. I put butter in mine so the spaghetti don't stick together. And now I put the pasta in. There we go. Okay guys, there you go. And just want to stir it some. Let it cook for a few minutes. Also stir you a little bit. And tomato sauce and meatballs. And I'm gonna I add a pinch of sugar to mine. Some people don't do that, but I like just a dash of sugar. This is Muller's spaghetti. And next one is to cook your spaghetti for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's cooked. I put just I don't know, just a little bit of sugar in. Stir it. Okay guys, everything is done. Meatballs and spaghetti sauces, everything is done. Now that's Italian. Okay guys, I have a spaghetti strainer, so I'm gonna pour the water and spaghetti in here and drain the water out. And you want to make sure that the spaghetti is cooked, not undercooked. Nothing worse than undercooked spaghetti. It's like eating starch. You want it like that. That's when you know it's done. Okay? Okay guys, and that's how it looks when you strain it. You drain it. Alright guys, so it's time to make a plate of spaghetti and meatballs. Yeah. I say, Mamma Mia! That's as beautiful as a plate of spaghetti and meatballs. Remind me of The Godfather when Clemenza was cooking spaghetti dinner, and Clemenza was telling Mike, "Hey kid, come over here. Let me show you how to make spaghetti. You never know when you might have to cook one day. You take all your Italian sausages and your meatballs and your wine, you add a pinch of sugar in it, and that's how you make spaghetti." And then Sonny was like, "Hey, why don't you cut the crap? I got more important things for you to do. How's Paulie?" And the Clemenza was like, "Oh, Paulie, you won't be seeing him no more." Alright guys, it's time for the taste test here. Mm-mm. I did myself. This is good. Peace out, guys.